Hey guys, how are you? Good morning. It's a lovely Sunday, so happy Sunday. Sundays are usually days I take to reset for the week. So cleaning the apartment, doing my laundry, I just thought I did. And so I have some fresh sheets for the week. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys along on my reset day. And also later today, I also have some plans to see some friends, so that'd be really nice. And we're going to the Preheat gallery to see some really cool exhibitions there. But first I haven't even had breakfast, so let's make some coffee. And I'm thinking of making banana pancakes. It's my favorite to make on a Sunday. So yeah.
Turn the key and cooler on. This a pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun.
Okay, oh my god, I saw this girl making like raspberry, like I always add like yogurt on my top of my pancakes with some chocolate, but then I saw that she was like had like raspberries and it looked like kind of like a jam, so I decided like to squish some raspberries, and oh my fucking god, this is a masterpiece. I took it over to the bed. Of course I'm not gonna eat it there because I'm too scared. I'm gonna make stains, but just for the images. And wow, I'm gonna enjoy this right now and then continue with cleaning some things here in the flat, like my room. And yeah, but first let's do this taste test. Oh my fucking god, that is delicious. Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna head to the gallery to see my friend Nina, and we're gonna go to the Serpentine Gallery, which is located in Hyde Park. And I'm so excited because this exhibition actually features there's actually two that we're gonna go to, but one of them is of Barbara Kruger, and I wrote myself an essay about her with my IB, so I've always been a really big fan of her art, so I'm really excited to see this exhibition. And yes, I'm gonna go there, spend the afternoon a bit over there, just some relaxing time on a Sunday, so let's go. Hey guys, I got home like a little while ago and I'm gonna make dinner now, and I thought to show you this recipe I'm making today. I'm making an orzo halloumi, like veggie pasta from this girl that I follow on Instagram. It's her recipe. Her name is Pinata, but it's in Dutch, so she's a Dutch foodie and I love all her recipes, and every time she comes out with something I'm like so excited to try it. And this one is an old one, but I haven't tried it, so I'm really excited to make it, and let's see how it tastes. So I'll add the recipe in the description box, and yeah, let's get cooking. Okay, so I've cut like the onions, the pepper, and the carrots into like pieces, and then you're gonna just cover it with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then actually the carrots, they also get covered with honey. And I finished the masterpiece. So you just put the halloumi on top with some mint, and then you're ready to eat. So super easy to make. Just prep the veggies, I guess, and the orzo, and it's like super easy to make. And I have some leftovers to bring to work tomorrow, which is perfect for a Sunday. So I'm just eating my dinner right now, but I want to let you know that the recipe is a success. It's so good, you guys have to try it. I'm really happy that I made it, and just chef's kissed. And then now I'm gonna clean up everything again and the kitchen a bit, prep for tomorrow for another work day and another work week. And yeah, I'm just gonna chill a bit, read, and then go to bed. So I want to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, see you next time.